Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unpacking the latest ASX market news as investors start the week with optimism. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss market updates, deep dives, and smart insights. Australian markets are poised for a positive open today, with futures pointing to a roughly 0.3% rise on the ASX 200. That's largely thanks to Wall Street's performance at the end of last week, where the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow all closed at record highs. This is a strong leading indicator that local Aussie markets could follow suit. Market sentiment matters because big gains overseas often influence confidence at home. Traders from Sydney to Perth will be watching global cues closely this morning. So why did the US indexes hit records? It comes down to softer than expected jobs data. While job growth was positive, it wasn't strong enough to spook investors about future rate hikes, meaning optimism stayed high, especially in the tech sector. This kind of environment can push risk-on behavior, which is usually good news for equities like those on the ASX. On the local front, we've already seen some notable corporate updates. Let's zoom out to other market drivers. Oil prices were up over the past week, supporting energy stocks. Iron ore also showed strength, which is good for our mining heavyweights, and the Aussie dollar weakened slightly against the US dollar, often a positive for exporters. All of these variables feed into investor confidence and sector rotation. Something we'll keep an eye on as trading unfolds. Super Retail Group reported record first-half sales, with strong contributions from brands like Supercheap Auto and Rebel. Great news for retail investors. The ACCC appears poised to take legal action against Coles and Woolworths under new anti-price gouging laws, something that could have broader retail sector implications. And legal news in gaming, Aristocrat Leisure won its copyright dispute with Light & Wonder, a win that could protect profit margins in that segment. These stories matter because they can shift stock performance on the ASX throughout the week. Here's what investors should be looking at: household spending data and consumer confidence figures, real clues on economic health, global inflation indicators because they influence rate expectations, ASX sector performance, watching where money flows, financials, tech, energy. These events could signal whether this bullish start continues or if markets hit resistance. To summarize, ASX is set to open higher, buoyed by global market strength, record highs in the US, and several local corporate stories driving interest. But remember, markets are dynamic. Keep your risk strategy tight and stay informed. If you found this breakdown useful, smash that like button, share this with a friend who tracks the ASX, and most importantly, subscribe for regular market updates and analysis. Drop a comment below on which ASX stock or sector you're watching this week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.